Hello everyone. I haven't got my grandson today, so out we go. Doesn't look brilliant weather, does it? I'm sure we'll probably ride through that in a minute. I think that's more than likely low cloud up over Ridgeway, but I'm sure we'll find out in a minute because that's where we're heading. I'd like to say thank you to everyone who commented on yesterday's video where I managed to stop and see a couple of the tanks, or at least the training tanks at Bovington. Quick one for Henry. Henry, this little screen, I'm not going to move it because how that is at the minute I think is probably the best that I've got it at the minute. I'm never going to stop air completely, but I think if I go up any further, that is going to land up sending air through the gap again. And litter picking. It's a rare sight these days, isn't it? The council out picking up litter and things. But then, to be fair, tossers shouldn't chuck it away anyway. Take that, thank you very much. God bless you. Still bloody steam up though. I keep saying I'm going to try that thing with the scrunched up newspaper and wipe the inside of the screen with that. Oh sorry, wipe my glasses with that. The screen don't really tend to steam up, it's my glasses. Do you know, I look at those ambulances now and I don't recognise hardly anyone. We've had that many new staff start in such a short space of time. A lot of the older ones are thinking, I've had enough of this. You know, and that job does take its toll on you. You know, me with me back, me joints. I know Howie, the paramedic relic on YouTube, he's had the other side of the issues with the mental side of things, how it affects you. And you do, I mean, all the crappy jobs that you go to, you do carry it around with you. I mean, I'm lucky in the fact that I walk out that ambulance station door and I don't take it home with me. I've been really lucky in the fact that I've been able to do that over the years. But I mean, we're all different, and as many bad jobs as you have, it's not normally those. It's probably the most ridiculous little job that will just tip you over the edge. It ain't all doom and gloom, the job itself is good. It's just a shame about all the politics and the side of it now. It's, I think the world's gone a bit mad at the moment. And it's a shame because they're losing a hell of a lot of good people. Absolute shame. Oh, nice old TR6, look. Beautiful. Funny, you just use the quick shifter as you know, it's second nature now, but all those years that we rode without all these gadgets, quick shifters, ABS, adjustable suspension, semi-active, all of that lot, hill start. I mean, this one hasn't got hill start, but my RT did. What a great bloody thing that is for a sudden great motorbike. As I say, in the British equivalent, that bike was, I think it was 200, it's either 263 or 268 kilograms, which I think worked out at 43 stone. The reason I'm going out near here is give you a bit of the backstory as to where we're going to go afterwards. I've always ridden past it, and I'm sure I've seen something up in the trees. So, providing it's not blowing a hoolie up there, we'll send the drone up and have a look what's up there. I've had a quick look on drone assist for that area. There's no flight restrictions. Where the drone flyers have put a thing on there to say they're going to be in the area. So we'll give it a go. Look at 90-degree bend, isn't it? So the place we're going to is called Tolpuddle. Now you may or may not have heard of a group called the Tolpuddle Martyrs. So let's see how good my memory is. In 1834, local farm workers, a bit disgruntled with the crap pay that they got and the pay cuts, so they got together and formed a little group, and they swore a secret oath that what they would discuss would all be secret and kept amongst themselves. Well, they were arrested and charged and deported to Australia for 7 years for that. But the thing that they got them on was that they held secret meetings and swore an illegal oath. Now that there is the Tolpuddle Martyrs Museum, which tells you all about it. I think there was six of them, maybe 8. So I'm doing all this from memory. But yeah, they were deported. Well, around, I think it was 800,000 signatures on a petition. It was dumped at the government's door, and that allegedly all helped to the modern day union, how we know it now. I mean, I'm a member of a union, being in the job I'm in, and yeah, 800,000 signatures. So their 7-year stint, I think, was chopped down to 3. But yeah, fancy that, getting deported just because you swore an oath to each other, which was deemed as illegal. Anyway, I'm going to shut up because this is a good bit. Another lovely little village called Tolpuddle. Lots of puddles and piddles around this area. Whether they're piddle puddles, I don't know. Ah, there's always something to spoil your fun. This is a nice, snaky, twisty road, this one. done.